Lord, right around a little bit over $100, I'd say.
Okay, so, and you'll deliver it to me tomorrow?
Yeah, if my driver gets here, I sure will.
All right, well, Tyler, I want it. Put my name on it. You got my information already.
Alrighty, honey.
And please, you guys, I am begging you to help me get this refrigerator. We're at $95, and I need a little over $100. See, I ain't got nothing to hide, y'all.
They don't understand. I need help bad right now. Like bad, yeah, I'm gonna get paid, but it ain't gonna be that much. Nobody won't become a supporter. I don't know why. Oh my God. Why don't they believe me? What have I done for them not to believe me? God, please show them people online that is the truth. I swear these people are idiots. I swear I've never done wrong to nobody on that internet. I've just asked for help a lot. Yeah, I have. I admit I've asked for help a lot, but damn, I needed it. They don't know how a little small town works. They won't survive a day here, not a day. They think I buy clothes. I ain't got a fucking penny. They say, she wears a new shirt every day. What they don't understand, them shirts I had made fucking back in winter. You're on a live video right now on the screen so like everyone can hear everything you're saying. What? No, I ain't. Am I?
Sorry, guys. It didn't end it. I'm sorry. So sorry, guys. It didn't end it.